Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Bluetooth device like your phone or your tablet so you can actually stream stuff to the Yamaha RX A2A receiver. So on the remote, there's a Bluetooth button, so you click that to actually change the input source to that. It's right here. And on your device, so if you have Android or iPhone's going to be a little different, but on Android when you go to settings, which is basically just, you click the little cog button right there, and you go to connected devices, and then you go to pair new device, and it's actually going to find it. I've actually changed the name of my receiver to receiver, so I'm going to click on receiver Bluetooth, and it's going to say yeah. If it asks you for a pin code, all you have to do is type in 0000. It doesn't look like it asked me for a pin code. Now it says active. So now if I go ahead and play a song, so now it's actually going to play it on this.
Few moments later.
Okay, so to set up Bluetooth headphones so you can hear the audio, obviously, go to setup on your Yamaha, go down to Bluetooth, and then make sure it's enabled here, so make sure that's on, Bluetooth is on, and then go to transmitter, turn that on. Now here's the tricky thing. Before you actually go to device search, make sure your headphones are in pairing mode, so you can see it's flashing blue here. So now if I go to device search, it shows up right away, Beoplay H8, which are my headphones, so then I would click enter or press enter on that. Okay, so that actually looked like it didn't work, but it actually did work. Hopefully they release a firmware update that solves that. So now if I actually try to play the movie, you can actually hear the sound both on the speakers and on the headphones. The headphones control the volume independently from the speakers. So if I actually mute the sound on the speakers, I will still hear it from the headphones, and I can actually control stuff from the headphones. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment sections below.